CGS Kraken, the Aimpoint Acro on top, BCM Furniture. This is their little PCC grip. Don't get a full, let's see if you can see it. You don't get a full grip, but it allows it to, it's a whole lot smaller if you're carrying it in a bag. And of course, she folds up to a tiny little package. I do wish they would come out with a little padding for that buttstock so it doesn't slide around on your shoulder as much. All right, it's Memorial Day. My Zenith failed me. Got the GHM9 out here. We're gonna run the same test. Got a bunch of different 9mm ammo. We'll see what she likes and what she doesn't like. This is Blazer 115s. Oh, look, Zenith, it works. I only got 5 rounds of the UMC left. Let's give that a go. Now we got some 115 grain ammo signature series loaded up. Feels good to have a good gun that runs. Now I got 20 rounds of the Federal Synthetic 150s loaded up. We are running the CGS K. See how these do. Flawless again. All right, now for guns like these, they have to eat the subsonic ammo. So I already went through the 150 Federal Synthetics. Got some 147 grain Callaway ballistics, some of my favorite ammo. Especially when you're running suppressed, you definitely want your gun to run subsonic ammo. So let's see how this one runs. As I expected with the Callaways, flawless. B&T quality, she's ran flawless with everything I've fed it so far. Thank you guys for watching the video. Please check out the links down below. Got my campsite page and my X where I got deals posted almost every day. A bunch of affiliate links where I have discount codes where you guys get to save some money. But thank you guys for watching. God bless.